No, he's getting away. No, he's out. He got away. I'm going to go swim after him. I can take him myself.
No, you can't. They're not coming to you. You do. And I'm going to be coming too. Where? All the cats are going to go after him. Somebody help!
Zoom.
There's a water! Help! Help!
And then he said,
Make it.
I'll carry you out. Well, get on. How are the rest of us going to get across if we are so smart?
Well, everyone can swim.
The eagles, and
the lions are going to need to be carried. And then
eagles, you can get the lions across. Whoa! Whoa!
How do we get the guards? That's when they drop the guard. Then they'll drop the guards like bombs. Raid! Oh, where'd that come from? Oh. It's a surprise attack.
Said, drop.
Raid the base. Base. We cannot fight it off.
And then he's like, what about the rest of us? And he's like, oh, I can do this. Oh. What?
I said there's too many of them.
We're almost across.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa. Now we can get across.
Yeah.
We're all across. Well, that wasn't that bad.
Stay tuned for our next episode.
Yeah.